Django and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Hello everyone and welcome to this mini course on how to set up a basic Django project. There will be 7 videos and I've organized them the best way I could to give you a good learning experience. You'll be able to create a simple Django project, replicate it, and adjusting it to wherever your need is. Of course, simple at first. It's all documented in my blog, so this is what we are saying. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for each video, and yeah, feel free to comment if you don't understand something. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And comment, like, subscribe, share, and yeah, let's jump to the first topic on virtual environments. So, I will be using Miniconda to create virtual environments. There are other alternatives, but Miniconda makes it simple, okay? So let's visit their download page, anaconda.com, choose the appropriate system. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to go with that download. It's downloading, let's wait for that, and meanwhile, I'll explain you a little bit why it's nice to use virtual environments. So, when you have different projects, they end up having different requirements. Imagine I have a project that I have created in 2025 and it's running on Django 5, but I happen to have created a Django project about, uh, I don't know, like 6 years ago, and it's still running on Django 2 point something. And I have to, I need to have 2 different virtual environments because one of them runs on Django 2 and the one I've created in 2025 it's running on Django 5. So otherwise I would have to uninstall my current Django installation to adjust to each project. So for this reason we create virtual environments for different projects. And that's the main reason to have a virtual environment. It's to keep everything organized. Alright, once you finished the download, double click it and let's go on with the installation. Next, I agree. Install for just me, recommended. Next, next, install, and should be ready soon. Once it's completed, click next. You can uncheck both of these and finish. Alright, now making the conda commands permanently available in the command line. We need to go to the anaconda prompt and run this. Let's look for that. Anaconda, and here it is. And simply let's run conda init cmd.x. Now what this will do is to make all of the conda commands available in the Windows command prompt. You can do the same for Mac and Linux, I believe, but the command is going to be slightly different, not CMD. Let's continue. Now we have access to all of the conda commands and we are ready to create a virtual environment. And it's super simple. We go with conda create dash n, and let's name it my first env. Then choose a Python version, Python 3.14. It it will ask if you want to install additional packages, and we're gonna say yes because we will need those packages in the future. Type Y and press enter. It should be done soon. Here it is. Now we can use activate my first env to activate it, and you know it's active when you see it before the directory. So my first env between parentheses. Let's use CLS to clean the command line. And what else can you do? If you ever want to deactivate it, conda deactivate, it's not active anymore. You can also, I put some additional comments, conda deactivate. If you want to remove it permanently, you can use conda remove dash n, the name of the environment, and double dash all. You can also use conda info double dash envs, and it's going to list all of the environments that you have. Now, I have previously installed Miniconda in my other Windows user, and I have all of these virtual environments. Let's activate it back with activate my first env and clean it. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and in the next video we will create a Django project and install Django. Let's go!